Alright guys, welcome back to nikobrothers. So it's been a couple days and the paint has cured. I'm so happy about that we can actually put it together now after all that hard work of Bondo, sanding, priming, painting it. Now we get to assemble it and be done with it. But I came in this morning and got a little puddle. It looks like power steering fluid. I probably have a leak somewhere, so I definitely need to figure that out. Power steering is nice, definitely a need to have. But a lot of work ahead of me. Let's put it together, find our leak, let's get this thing going, and get it wrapped up. Alright, so I got the rear spoiler on, I got the taillights in, all the little cover pieces on. I could go ahead and work on the rear bumper, go ahead and get that done. So this side will be complete. It's looking clean. Bada bing, bada boom. That was one of the easiest bumpers to put on. So nice, everything fit up, nicely lined up. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Moving down the line, I'm gonna get these side skirts on. Make this thing look good. There we go. There's still some clips underneath that I have to get, but basically once I do the alignment, I'm gonna jack the car up, and that'll be a lot easier to secure my rear bumper and the side skirts. Anything I need to go underneath. Same thing for my power steering leak. I can see what's going on once I get the car lifted up. Definitely be a lot easier. Let's not stop and let's keep going. Just moving right along. Let's go ahead and work on the front. I went ahead and put my shocks on, that way my hood stays open. That's always nice. But I'm gonna go ahead and work on this hood, put all these pieces back together. You can see on the old one, A lot of little covers, little gaskets and stuff, so that's nice to have. Just go ahead and transfer that over. Make it look good. Now that I got that all done, looks great. We'll go ahead and move on to the headlights before I get that bumper installed. Okie dokie, headlights are in, working fine. I got my low beams, high beams, daylight, running lights. It's looking good. I had to wire up a couple things here and there, the LED lights that came in, but overall it's nice. I think I'm ready for my front bumper. Gonna go through it, make sure everything else is locked down. Looks like I got a horn right there in the front I gotta take care of. Get that bolted, anything else, and get that bumper on. All right, so the next part would be the front bumper. It's looking amazing, but we definitely need these fog lights and that front grille. So let's work on the fog lights. We've got some aftermarket ones, pretty bright. Came with a bunch of wiring, but I think ours had fog lights, so let's plug and play. Let's see if it works. Lights on, and then here we go. Oh yeah, that's nice. Beautiful. I love plug and play, and you plug it in, it works first try. Fantastic. Let's go ahead and get these mounted to the bumper and the bumper on. Okay, time to get the front rebar on and that bumper on there. Let's go. Dang, so I was about to put my bumper on, but then I noticed that my little bumper brackets, I'm missing one underneath the headlight and my other side of the fenders are wrong. So I called the dealer. I'm gonna come in later, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put that bumper on for now so I don't scratch it up and just see what it looks like. And then once I get the brackets, I'll just replace them. But gotta keep moving forward. Let's get this thing done. Alright guys, so we got a little WRX on the lift trying to find that power steering leak. Turns out it was our rack and pinion, so we're going to go ahead and replace that. There's a little seal over there went bad, but I don't want to try to fix this, so we're just going to go ahead and get a new rack and pinion. But before we go on, we've been watching our buddy Be Above Average. He always does a little upgrades here and there. We're going to put the link in his description of his videos in the bottom. Go ahead and check it out when you have time. We're going to upgrade our blow-up valve. He always does low upgrades, we're going to do low upgrade too. So check it out, see what we got. Alright guys, we got the blow-up valve installed. Let's go ahead and turn it on, see what it sounds like. So I didn't really hear much going on, but I think it just needs to build some pressure, PSI, but gotta get on the road and then we'll really hear what it sounds like. Alright guys, so we finally got our pieces from the dealership. Let's go ahead and finish up this bumper, get this car on the road. Alright guys, and just like that, we got the fender liners on the car, the rims on it, and we're ready to hit the road. I think this thing looks amazing. Turned out really clean, especially for the year miles. Brand new paint job all around. Awesome. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick rebuild of our WRX. We definitely got more projects coming up. Make sure you turn that notification bell. Make sure you're subscribed. Plenty of things coming up. Thanks so much for watching. Can't do it without you guys. If you have a moment, check out our merch store. We got some new stuff coming up for you. But thanks for watching. Until next time.